Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine at home. Okay, we will continue to discuss about our country, India, location, extent, and its neighbors. So, before that, as I have told or discussed in previous classes, that there are 7 continents. Now you need to know the names of the 7 continents. I said you need to know, you should know, and in the exam there can be question, and so you need to know regarding the 7 continents of the world, especially the names. I am not going to ask description. What is needed is description about India. And so India is situated in the northern hemisphere. India is situated in the world map. We see, if you see, it is situated in the northern hemisphere, yes, it is situated in the northern hemisphere, and the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer passes through India, and it divides almost into 2 equal halves. It goes this way. So why it is goes not straight like this? Why it does not cross the lines of or Tropic of Capricorn like this? No, it does not. Why it crosses this way? Why? Because the earth is spherical, round, and when you draw a line, so there will be a curved line. As we have got in the longitude we have got a curved line like this. So also the curved line will be there, not straight line. Maybe only this one, what called equator, is straight line. Rest of the lines will be a curved line, and so that is what that's why it is here. Not all the states, not straight it goes, but starts here and then it goes and then touches here till Arunachal Pradesh. You see in the map of India. Just turn your page. See that Tropic of Cancer. Okay, Tropic of Cancer. You see that. So this is what the line is, and it touches various lines. Okay. Now let us. I said it is in India is situated in the northern hemisphere in the world map. Okay, and the longitude and latitudinal extent. In previous lesson, we have in what called longitude and latitudinal lines of the map. This we have discussed in previous lessons, so I need not discuss about the lines of longitude and lines of latitude. So India lies in the northern hemisphere between the lines between latitude 8 degree 4 inch north and 37 degree 6 inch north. Since it is in the northern hemisphere, it is written northern hemisphere. It lies between the lines of longitude and latitude. So longitude 68 degrees 7 inch east, and so India is in the northern hemisphere. And if you make divide the longitudinal division, then it is in the eastern division, eastern hemisphere, not in the western hemisphere. In the eastern hemisphere, in the map of the world, if you see in the map of the world, in the map of the world, you see that it is in the eastern hemisphere. See that it is in the eastern. Is here 0 degree is here. Yes, 0 degree is here. Here the eastern hemisphere. India is lying here. So that's why it is in the eastern hemisphere. It is written east. E is written. E stands for eastern hemisphere. Okay. So that is what. So next one is Yes, Eastern Hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 degree 23 degree to 23 degree 30 inches northern hemisphere, divides the country means India, into almost two equal parts, two equal halves. And so India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. See that, southern part of the continent of Asia. In this map also you can see the map that is in your book at the bottom page. The southern part of India is surrounded by Arabian Sea in the west and Bay of Bengal in the east and Indian Ocean in the south. So that's why it is peninsula. So Indian subcontinent is also is a peninsula because it is surrounded by large water bodies on three sides. Okay, large water bodies surrounded by large water body on three sides, and therefore India is a peninsula. Peninsula. Please remember what is peninsula. Okay, next, Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, Bay of Bengal in the southeast direction, you see, that is here. Bay of Bengal. See, this is the Bay of Bengal. This whole area is Bay of Bengal, and Andaman Nicobar Island is here. More than 200 islands are situated here, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And in the west we have Arabian Sea. In the west we have got the Arabian Sea, and in Arabian Sea there are Indian islands. They are known as Lakshadweep. Group of islands in the west, they are known as Lakshadweep. So in the east, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and then in the west we have got the Lakshadweep. And so these are the island states or union territories we have. So remember that these islands, Indian islands, island groups, we call it island groups. Okay, so here now we need to know. Please write down in the opposite, there is a blank page. In the blank page, here left side of your book, there is a blank page. In that you please write down the number 1. How many continents are there in the world? Okay, number 1. Number 2, in which continent India is located or lies located. Number 3 question, which is the largest continent of the world? Number 4, which is the smallest continent of the world? Number 5, what is the what is the rank? What is the rank of India in terms of size and population. In terms of size and population. Okay. Then number 6 question. What is peninsula? Peninsula. 7th question. What is strait? Strait. What is the spelling of strait? Strait. I repeat, strait. Strait. And 8 questions. What is isthmus? Isthmus. What is isthmus? STHMUS. Isthmus. So straight, isthmus. Okay. Now all these questions please note. I repeat. How many continents are there in the world? In which continent India is located? Which is the largest continent of the world? Which is the smallest continent of the world? Which is the what is the rank? What is the rank? What is the rank of India? India ranks what? In which position India is? According to the size, in terms of size and in terms of population in the world. In terms of population in the world. Next one is, what is peninsula? What is strait and what is isthmus? All these questions are very important. Okay. So please remember that. So if you have learned all these questions, then you see that size of India. What are the size of India according to the size and population? What is the then in the north? What is the next one? Is the border. Tomorrow we will discuss about the India's neighbors. India's neighbor is the last point of discussion tomorrow we have. And then you need to know also the union territories is divided into how many states and how many union territories India has, how many island groups of India, that also you should know. Okay, all these things are there. So remember that. It's not difficult. Just tomorrow we will discuss about the neighbors of India. Okay, thank you very much.